Hello dear students, today I am going to explain some important topics from Engineering Chemistry Unit 1. So first unit name is Water and its Treatment. Before going to explain about the topics present in first unit, first you need to understand what is the water. Water is the most important compound for all living organisms. So we know the chemical formula of water, that is H2O. So generally water is two types. First one is soft water, second one is hard water. We know soft water. What is soft water? Whenever we add foam to water, whenever we add soap to water, if it produces foam, such type of water is called as soft water. Which doesn't produce foam, such water is called as hard water. Next, instead of forming foam, hard water produces vice precipitate. So what we discussed, how many types of water is there? Water is two types, soft water, hard water. Soft water is the water which produces foam or lather easily with soap. Hard water is completely opposite to soft water. Instead of forming foam, it produces white color precipitate. Next, our topic is hardness of water. What is hardness of water? Hardness is the most important characteristic of water. Okay, here just now we discussed hardness of water. Hardness of water prevents the lathering of soap. Instead of forming lather, it produces what? It produces white color precipitate. What are the reasons for the formation of white color precipitate, or why it is preventing the lathering of soap? Okay, so hardness is the most important characteristic of water which arrests the formation of lather whenever it combines with the soap. What is the reason for that? Main reason is presence of hardness producing dissolved salt. It is the key point of the first unit. Hardness producing dissolved salts. What are that hardness producing dissolved salts? Bicarbonates, carbonates, chlorides, sulfates of calcium, magnesium and other heavy metals. Hardness is the most important characteristic of water which prevents the lathering of soap. It is mainly due to the presence of hardness producing dissolved salts. What are the dissolved salts? Bicarbonates HCO3 minus, carbonates CO3 2 minus, chlorides Cl minus, sulfates SO4 2 minus. So these are the dissolved salts which are giving hardness to water. Look into the chemical formula of that hardness producing dissolved salt. The dissolved salts are calcium. Just now I said bicarbonates of calcium. Bicarbonates of calcium means calcium bicarbonate. Next, carbonates of calcium. Calcium carbonate. Chlorides of calcium. Calcium chloride. Sulfates of calcium. Calcium sulfate. Bicarbonates of magnesium. Magnesium bicarbonate. Carbonate of magnesium. Magnesium carbonate. Chloride of magnesium, magnesium chloride, sulfate of magnesium, magnesium sulfate. Till now we discussed about hardness of water. What is hardness of water? Hardness is the most important characteristic of water which prevents the lathering of soap. Instead of forming lather, it produces white color precipitate. That is mainly due to the presence of dissolved salts. What are the dissolved salts? Bicarbonates, carbonates, chlorides, sulfates of calcium, magnesium and other heavy metals. Next, how to identify the hard water? We need to do one test. That test is called as soap test. Just now we discussed hardness of the water. That means whenever we take hard water, due to the presence of the dissolved salts, it arrests the formation of lather whenever it combined with the soap. So here we took soap. To identify or to differentiate hard water from soft water, we need to do the soap test. In this soap test, first we need to take hard water. Whenever we combine this hard water to soap, sodium stearate is the chemical formula of soap. Common name is its common name is soap, but actual chemical name is sodium stearate. Whenever sodium stearate combined with hard water, it forms white color precipitate instead of forming foam. So whenever it forms white color precipitate, we can give one conclusion: it is a hard water. Next, how many types of hardness is there? Hardness is two types: temporary hardness, permanent hardness. If you understand the name of this, you can understand the concept. Temporary, the hardness in which hardness is temporary. That means the hardness which we can remove easily. The type of hardness is called as temporary. The hardness which we cannot remove, we can remove, but we cannot remove easily. Such type of hardness is called as permanent hardness. Look into the temporary hardness. Just now we discussed hardness is mainly due to the presence of what? Bicarbonates, carbonates, chlorates, sulfates. Among these four dissolved salts, first two dissolved salts are giving temporary hardness to water. So what is the reason for temporary hardness? Bicarbonates of calcium, magnesium, carbonates of calcium, magnesium. So bicarbonates and carbonates, out of 8 dissolved salts, 4 dissolved salts are giving temporary hardness to water.